up, everybody? So, I'm going to try something different. This is just a quick update and still me experimenting on everything. So, this is Programming with Doug, and today we're going to go over some of the stuff I've been working on. Kind of, you know what I mean? So, at the moment, I've been working on my resume website, which is partially live. So here's the live version. This is dougtreefan.com, which thankfully, having a semi-unique name that's not too many letters, figured why not? It was cheap. So I used the Hostinger web service. I got my domain through like GoDaddy, and here's my resume website. It's not finished. It's not how I like it, but it's something, and I just want to kind of play around with the different elements and just keep on improving it. So it's not that much right now. We have the about section, easy enough. We have my experience, projects. That's what I'm kind of working on now. Education, skills. I really like these little icons that I was able to get through Bootstrap and template. And then interests, which I'm going to deck some of this out with images and whatnot, but I don't want to make this too busy. Other things that I've done that I'm working on. I need to add that back in. So this is the unlive site. I was working on my projects and trying to get these cards for all the projects I'm working on. There's nothing. They're not. It's not finished yet. So again, I'm just kind of playing around, getting something out there. I had a link to download my resume. I'm not sure where that went, so I need to figure that out. And yeah, so that's where I'm at with all this. It's again not done, but it's something. And in and of itself, it's a project. I am not. A lot of this I'm having to like teach myself as I do it with the HTML and CSS, and I've been messing around with Django and all these other things. But I just want to get something up for right now. It's very simple. It's just a resume website. So that's it. This is all just kind of its first iteration. So don't judge me too harshly. But it works, and it sizes and everything. It's mobile responsive at the moment. Although I don't like how it my image, my profile picture disappears when it goes into smaller screen. So I need to figure out maybe how to put that on there somehow. Not that it's strictly necessary. My experience, again, I'm not really done. This isn't meant to be put in front of an employer, but I figure if they somehow come across this website, oh well. It's not something I've put out forward facing too much yet, even though it is online. It's just cool to have a website. I've been thinking about this for a bit. The other thing I'm working on, I was doing a few other things that we'll just go into this, projects and stuff I'm working on. Something else I'm doing that I have some videos planned for would be the Sabacc game, which is a Star Wars card game, and it's always been my goal to make it a playable thing that I can make a game for. So my first steps will be pretty simple, and that's I'll go over that in another video, but that's immediately what I'm working on. I have, of course, my little game. I haven't done too much, haven't really fleshed it out too much. And the Tata Punch is a whole nother beast in and of itself. So that's just on there. It's something I've done. And that's what I like about this resume website is it allows me to showcase some of the stuff that I've done and my strengths and weaknesses, some of my strengths. So in ways that, just the code and stuff, won't really do it justice. So like, of course, I'll have it connected to my, Git. I have my LinkedIn. I have some, I'll link my Twitter and YouTube on there. So it should all come together. So it's, whether or not all the, focusing on this stuff was worth the time I took away from actually kind of like programming practice, I would say yes, it was worth it, but at the same time, I do need to get back on my study schedule and things like that. But I would say this was definitely necessary, and I'm glad I took the time to kind of relearn some of these things. And this is just yeah, this is just a starting place. Like, see, I haven't. This is just from the template. When I, on my actual one, I'm an entry level programmer trying to learn as much as possible. So that's going to be changed. So everything's going to be changed. I don't even like the color, but hey, I have something online and it's a start, and I can work from there. So yeah, I just want to give you a quick update on what I'm doing. Mainly my resume website. So we'll see. I'll update you as it comes along, but it's live. You can visit it, dougtriefin.com. So have fun. There's nothing really on there, like, yeah. But anyway, this was another update. So until next time, be sure to like and subscribe, all the YouTube stuff, and keep on learning. Bye.